Welcome to our exploration of Deleuzian economics. This presentation delves into the intersection of minoritarian economic science and postmodern philosophy. As Marcel Proust once famously noted, the real voyage of discovery consists not in seeking new landscapes, but in having new eyes. Today, we invite you to adopt those new eyes. We must begin by acknowledging a harsh reality: our current intellectual landscape has become remarkably petty. Scholarship should be about improving human lives, not merely satisfying individual intellectual curiosity. Modern economics has unfortunately devolved into a pursuit that distorts truth to gain worldly favor, trapped in a cycle of meaningless repetition that demands a fundamental metamorphosis. There is a broken machine at the heart of academic inquiry today. Philosophy is tasked with raising and formulating the essential problems, while science is meant to operate the process of solving them. However, by separating these two domains, we only expose the arrogance and the ignorance of those who claim they want to salvage humanity. Consider this matrix of academic depth. When we have high philosophical framing but low scientific rigor, we fall into ignorance. Conversely, high scientific rigor without philosophical depth leads to arrogance. Conventional economics is stuck in a cycle of meaningless repetition. Our goal is to move toward Deleuzian economics, the high-level fusion of both postmodern philosophical depth and rigorous scientific problem-solving. It is critical to understand that economics is merely the innermost layer of a larger system. Our worldview, our perception of nature, humanity, and society encases it entirely. We cannot hope to derive a truly ultimate economic theory without first rebuilding these deeper philosophical foundations. Our path forward requires a departure from the modern reliance on analytic reductionism. Instead, we are looking toward synthetic holism. The philosophy of Gilles Deleuze provides the compass for this new horizon, offering the framework necessary to completely remodel economic science for a postmodern era. We are seeking a massive line of flight. Modern economics is currently trapped in a grid of meaningless repetition, but Deleuzian thought offers an escape. This isn't just an exit, it is a flight capable of creating a new earth, allowing us to view the world from an entirely different dimension. Let's compare the two paradigms. Modern economics relies on analytic reductionism, keeping its insights isolated and focused on petty satisfaction. Deleuzian economics, however, employs synthetic holism. It seeks to salvage human potential by fusing the roles of philosopher and scientist, actively contemplating the vital relationship between the economy and its external environment. While conventional economics operates on a flat two-dimensional plane of efficiency, Deleuzian economics introduces a new z-axis, the economics of possibility. This perspective exposes the very limits of current disciplines by looking beyond the surface, pushing us into new dimensions of thought. We call this libidinal economics, or the economics of desire. This is the ultimate form of inquiry. It moves beyond merely solving for scarcity to realizing truly productive desire. By synthesizing postmodern science with profound philosophical truth, this approach imbues our economic discourse with supreme value for human life. Truth is open to everyone, but as Nietzsche reminded us, it is not gentle. Becoming friends with the truth requires arduous, challenging effort. If you wish to pioneer new fields and achieve true insight, you must be willing to pursue what is rare.